Hello, beautiful people. Hello, beautiful people. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel and to my first video on YouTube. Like most people, we're at home and wonder what to do with ourselves with this lockdown. So I decided, why not start a YouTube channel and get in on the action like everyone else? And I wonder, what can I do? So last year, I spent most of my time on YouTube trying to figure stuff out, hair stuff, products to try. So I think for Black Friday, I make sure save up my money, get me some few stuff, and I think, why not share them on YouTube? See if they actually work and if they're actually that easy to use or put on. So in this video, I will be reviewing my first wig. And yes, this is my first ever wig, so I decided to share it with you all. Is it as easy as they say it's going to be to apply? And let's see. So what came inside of the box? I'll try and link the link in the description box or on top of the screen. I'm not sure. So inside of the box, well, I already take the wig out. Sorry, I was very eager to see how it is. But what else came inside of the box? We have this, where we have some clips to hold the hair back. We also have a rat tail comb. And some bobby pins. The wig came wrapped in this, and inside of this bag, let's say on top of it, disinfected, which was well packed, I must say. I was impressed with the packaging. And we also got a mask. Isn't that cool? With everything going on, they included a mask and 2 wig cap. On the site, you get to choose what color cap you want. Yes, and I choose this cap color. I think this one is dark brown. And it has also, so this wig, its texture is silky, 12-inch hair color, natural hair color, and cap size is 1, and it's a T-closure glue-less lace cap. Yeah, and the lace color is light brown, yes. So while looking on the website, because it's my first ever wig, it was hard for me to choose what wig to, well, I didn't want to spend too much money either, because let's face it, my first wig is not cheap. So I had to look up on YouTube what is a T-closure wig, a 13-inch, 13 by 6 T-closure wig, and how to install it first before I actually bought it. So let's see if it's as easy as they say it is. Oh, and it also came with these 2 straps to attach to the wig. For the wig, oh yeah, it also came with a headstand for the wig, which came in handy to put the wig on, because I had to, well, I washed and conditioned the wig. Yes, I call her Fifi. I washed and conditioned the wig because it smelled a bit weighed after I took it out of the packaging. And this is the amount of lace you get, because it's a T-closure wig. And you also have 2 pins at the front and 1 pin at the back. I also went ahead and trimmed the lace off because I am not a professional, so I took my time and fitted the wig and cut it off because I'm kind of scared that I will mess it up on camera. And we also have the attachment thing where you can attach the bands to make the wig tighter on your head. So we'll try it on first without these bands. Yes, hair prep. I already braided my hair. Yes, I've watched YouTube, so I know how to braid my hair back. So braid it back in some cornrows, and I'm not that good at parting, but I got it braided. Don't know if you can see. If not, I'll try to take a picture and put it on the screen. So for this wig, let's try it on. Sorry, trying to set up my mirror to see in front of me what I'm doing, but I think I might have to use my camera. So let's see. It's a middle parting, and no, I don't know anything about tweezing or picking the parts out to make it much visible. So I'm just gonna try it the way it is, and let's see if it's as they say. It's my first wig you should put on and able to go. So I'm going to put my wig cap on. Careful with my pacing. I know. Put it back. And please, I am no expert. This is me trying this out for the first time. Never own a wig. Just curious. It's always looked that good under and everybody else. I thought, why not try it? So please don't come for me. I don't know. I am only trying. I am a beginner. So let's see. I'm not a fan of middle part. No, I always have a side part. So I thought, let's try. Oh, and it also have this to adjust to the tightness of the wig. So you can clip it. It have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 thing at the back here. So you pull this out and clip it into one of these, and I guess that will make the wig a bit tighter, so you don't, because as I say, glueless. So hopefully it works. Put in and things. Okay, so let's pop the wig on my head, and hopefully it work a charm like it is supposed to. Here we go. Yes, it's a bit wild because I washed and conditioned it, but it smells so lovely now. No, I didn't go for, because on the website you could opt in for the tamer, the hair tamer, to make the hair lay flat. But yeah, that was extra money that I wasn't willing to pay, seeing that I was just trying it out for the first time. So put it in, having it on right off the bat. They're secure, not going anywhere. And yes, I cut the lace myself, so let's see. It fit around my arm. I just need to center it up. Is it showing my edges? No, I guess here maybe I can pull it a bit tighter. Let's hope it's. Oop. I'm just making sure that it's in the middle. I'm gonna take my rat tail comb. Really cute. Feeling myself. No, I'm blushing. No, I'm not blushing. Let's see. Like I said, I'm not good at parting, so. So what do we think? Please comment below and let me know if this actually suits me, or am I just, ooh, I look cute. So I'm feeling myself. Oh, dear me. Okay, so let's comb it out. Might need to straighten it out a bit because it had a bit of curl into it when I got it at the end. So I guess, oh, I didn't even, and this is holding on without me even putting the combs in, because I did not put the combs in. I can try. Ow. That is in my hairline. Not liking that. That hurts. Ow. No, we're gonna put this on without the comb in. And it's there. It's not moving. Just need to put it back on. Ow. No, 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 no. Ow. Those combs are very sharp. Okay. They should be able to pop on and go. Might need to tighten it up a bit. Is it in the middle? On camera, it is showing natural color black, but in person, it's a bit brownish color, which I don't really like. But maybe it's just my eyes, but it's not as, I guess, natural color. I guess. Oh, and the knots are actually bleach. I guess by bleaching they might have, I don't know, put something, make it a bit. Okay, and this is on without any glue. Okay. Oh, like I said, I'm not a professional. This is me. Hopefully the wind don't blow. Maybe I need to put my wig cap a bit back. But yeah, this is it, not glued down. And yes, I think I can go out like this. Style it a bit. Maybe I will don't ask me what I'm doing, I'm not sure. Just trying to put this back of my face. I'm actually liking this. I think the first time I tried it on, I was like, I'm not sure. I was not sure. Nope, was not sure. But now, it doesn't look that bad. And I did not, as you can see, use any glue. Hopefully there's no, I think it would not move. So what you guys think? Maybe I can do a follow-up video with me actually styling the wig with my trusty hot comb and trying to put some curls into it to see if it actually holds the curls, because I do not want to make my first video too long. I want you all to get to know me. And yes, let me know in the comment section if you like to see me do that. And let me know what you think of the wig. I think I'm feeling myself a bit. It is lovely. Like I said, I wasn't sure. Wow. And the texture is very nice. It's silky. Yeah. So maybe in my next video, I can do a part 2 of me styling the wig and trying it on with these. But it is pretty much secure, well secure without the straps, I must say. Because like, as you see, no, not moving. And maybe by next time I should learn how to do a bit of a swoop, as they say, swoop-de-doo-de-doo. I don't think you need any baby hairs. Please let me know how I do. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and yes, I will do a part 2 with styling the hair. So it's a thumbs up for my first wig. Really good. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.